Wala na kasi akong ibang makausap ngayon eh. Hiyang-hiya na ako kay Jasmine. Lalo na ngayon na may legal battle yung mga moms namin. Ewan ko ba? Kahit anong pilit namin na magstay solid kami, parang may ways pa rin yung parents namin to drive us apart eh.
Jasmine, it's not your fault.
Pero kami yung nagsasuffer. So sorry you're seeing me like this.
You don't need to say sorry. I know you're stressed out. Pero Ash, mas lalo mo akong pinabilib sa'yo. Kahit may mga gulo yung family niyo, kahit may mga issue, ikaw pa rin yung glue na nag-hold sa lahat. That's not weakness. That's literal strength, Ashley. Ikaw na yata yung bravest girl na kilala ko. So you don't need to say sorry. If anything, I admire you more, Ash.